Sierra, Hotel, India, Echo, Lima, Delta, Shield.
Hello everyone. So I came across some videos just to help myself on how to create the shield in WWE 2K19. So I even created it, but the thing is they won't come out together as the shield. Okay, so you can say I researched about it, or I accidentally came across it, but the thing is done. Okay, you don't have to do anything but just go to edit themes. Here you go to your shield, enter. Now listen carefully, check your this menu, okay, and each and everything should be filled, of course, except for these two, but each and everything should be filled. What I noticed was that here, let me tell you, here, tag team moves, okay, here in tag team moves it was set to none, okay, which you don't have to do. Alright, so you can select any one of them. Okay, you have to select the tag entrance and the tag finishers. Okay, tag team moves along with the trio, that is the shield triple bomb. So but here you don't have to leave any field empty. Then accept it. Okay, escape. Now let me show you. Here we go to a 6-man. Let me show you a demo. Okay, I'm gonna edit teams. Here is my, yeah, I also made a DX. Okay, so I'm looking forward to upload a video on that too, but right now let me show you how to. Okay, I'm gonna leave a field empty right here. Okay, what I can do is assisted power bomb. Wait, okay, we can't cancel it like that, but I did it. Okay, I created a move set. What I can do is, what can I do, man? What can I do? What can I do? Alright. Here, tag entrance type. Let me change it to separate, or just leave it. Let me show you the result. I'm really sorry, I'm unable to figure that out, but one field was set to none, and that was the reason why it wasn't happening. Okay, let's go for normal tag. Now here, if you select Dean Ambrose, you're automatically gonna see, okay, here I created the shield one. Okay, male, here is Roman Reigns, here's Seth Rollins. They automatically popped up. Okay, here we can select anyone. Let's go for Triple H. This one. DX. No, I'm sorry. Not this one. This one. Now we're gonna have... Okay. Here you go. I hope I don't get a copyright claim. Because that's what you get. Okay, I'm just gonna set it to a low volume. Alright. Okay, so let's wait. And here comes the shield. You can see.
Oh, this is so exciting.
Here you go. By the way, I created the yellow strokes on Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins is here.
You are looking at perhaps WWE's most dominant faction ever. Seth Rollins, Dean Ambrose, and Roman Reigns, three workhorses that run this industry. In one night, at Money in the Bank 2016...
My live streams are in Hindi. Because I'm from India, obviously. I made this video in English because I knew it was a problem for most of the people, so I had to. Comment down below if you wanna see more videos like this, okay, because I'm not into that tutorial things, but I just tried this one. If it works, just tell me that you like it and I'm gonna make more of it. Thank you so much. With this, let me take your leave. See you in the next video, possibly, if you liked it. Okay. Alright, let me just beat the hell out of him. Okay. This won't let me end the video.
Six-man tag match. The King of Kings, Triple H, is looking as imposing tonight than at any point during his dominant 20-year reign. You know, normally I'd accuse you of kissing up to the boss, Byron, but that assessment's actually pretty spot on. Well,
I had to beat him up, but let's just fight. Oh man, he just keeps on beating me whatsoever. Big trouble. Oh shit.
Six-man tag team matches have been a staple of competition since the early days
What?
of sports entertainment.
They really are the evolution.
Under traditional tag team rules. Stipulations could be added like no disqualification.
Come on, just for once.
Falls count anywhere or whatever else.
Here we go.
Matches can also be held in a caged environment.
Okay, I have a finisher.
Closer. There it is. The tag has been made.
Look, what I can do is, oh shit. I'm sorry for the language. Whoa.
Different types of stipulations.
Okay, he's just beating the heck out of me. Well, let me perform the shield power bomb. Probably. What? That was quick. I guess Dean Ambrose is weaker than Randy Orton. I don't know. Alright, not that much. Uh-oh.
his target, folks. Oh, there it is. Dirty deeds. He might just win this thing right here.
Hey.
And the shoulders.
Oh, come on. Just come on.
Earlier you talked about what needs to happen when members of a six-man team have differences or had differences in the past. If the team can't find a way to get on the same page, they will not last very long. Someone on the team has to step up and make sure for at least that match, everyone on the team can work together.
That's easier said than done. Just because superstars might be favorites of the WWE Universe or have a common enemy, that doesn't mean they'll get along. It also doesn't mean that any past issues will magically go away. In this business, people have long memories, so if someone sees an issue on their team, they need to resolve it right away.
Looking at Dean Ambrose's tenure in WWE, Ambrose has always been an odd personality. Never one to conform to the norms of WWE. Ambrose plays mind games with his opponents that seem to be done more for his own amusement than anything else. He landed it.
And Ambrose is rolling now, Michael.
Great. Actually, I wanted to make a tutorial video, but I guess I'm enjoying it. Just if you want to leave you can, but just subscribe to my channel and just hit a like.
And it's Ambrose showing some agility. Brutal impact.
What did I do?
Statement here with this attack. Now Randy Orton seems to have lost a step or two.
I don't know how, but now I'm Roman Reigns.
The offensive style he's relying on tonight requires he not lose too much space.
Dirty deeds.
That's how you put an exclamation point on a mat. Here's a cover.
Thanks to Raw General Manager Kurt Angle in May of 2017, the WWE Universe saw a dream team come together when the Hardy Boys joined forces with the Lunatic Fringe Dean Ambrose. The exciting trio took on Sheamus, Cesaro, and The Miz. Truth be told, both Miz and Ambrose blended in with their impromptu tag team partners pretty well.
Byron, we always make a point to talk about continuity amongst team members. In the six-man match, where Dean Ambrose teamed with the Hardys against Sheamus.
Okay, I'm really sorry to keep you hanging. I hope you like this video and do give a thumbs up. If you want more help like this, I'm there. Just comment down below what you want, and I'm just gonna try to serve it to you. Thank you so much for being with me for what, 12 minutes, I guess. Alright, see you later. Bye bye.